Top platforms for free stock footage and media assets. Looking for free stock footage and media assets? Check out these platforms. PIXABAY. High-quality images, illustrations, vector graphics, and videos under Creative Commons CC0. PEXELS. User-friendly interface with a good selection of media assets under Creative Commons CC0. UNSPLASH. Vast library of high-resolution photos with some free stock videos. VIDEVO. Mix of free stock videos, motion graphics, and sound effects, with a section dedicated to Creative Commons 3.0 videos. COVERR. Royalty-free videos for personal and commercial use covering various themes and subjects. MIXKIT. Curated collection of free stock videos, music tracks, and video templates for commercial projects. Life of VIDS. Free, high-quality videos, clips, and loops from a community of videographers. Remember to review licensing terms and conditions for compliance with usage requirements.